A few seconds after pressing the emergency call button, the device responds with the voice of a police operator. This call is for checking the connection. Can you determine the address, or do I need to tell you where I am?
At the moment you are in Natalka Park, I see this information.
A police operator from a distance can evaluate what is happening at the place of the call through a video camera placed above the button. If necessary, he sends a quick response group, calls rescuers or an ambulance.
Поки що звертаються люди з цікавості.
For now, people press the button just out of interest. They check out how it works and ask if the police will really arrive. They are answered yes. Do you want to report a violation? No, we're just interested.
This is an image from the street cameras. Journalists recorded not only an emergency call device, but also surveillance cameras several meters away. All videos are archived in the Situation Center.
If you press the button, then it's already considered an appeal. Sound and video are recorded around the clock. Our operators monitor how the system works, and if the signal does not reach the police, our operator will duplicate it.
The emergency call button is one of the elements of the Kyiv smart city system. Here is the data from 7,000 surveillance cameras throughout the city. They are used to track traffic on the roads, follow the work of public utilities, and search for missing people and stolen cars. 6 devices are connected to the system, another 15 work in test mode. Another 40 are planned to be installed by the end of the year. Places for them are determined by the statistics of violations, frequency of visits, and traffic intensity. The next step is sensors that respond to heat and sound.
Sensors from all over the city will be connected in a single model to respond not only to the press of a button, but to everything that happens around them. An explosion, screams, water level, fire. We'll mass install these sensors that without human intervention will signal on the city map where an emergency is happening.
Experts monitor the work of the Kyiv Smart City and update the security system algorithms around the clock. Over the past year, the center helped the police solve more than 2,000 crimes. Reported by Evgenia Burda, UATV.